Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 0, Durban City 0. I'm joined by the one, the only, Rulani Mukwena.
Stivo. Stivo, let me start by saying my mother, may she rest in peace. I was burying my mother last week. That's why today I came here, because of I wanted the peace. But I got it the peace. It's okay, because it's a peace. It's a happiness. And may the good Lord bless you guys. I'm a friends with you to Gutinhambe nos represent across the country. Thank you so much, and thank you so much to Minister, because they say good things comes to those who are patient. So I think the patient in Yenzile, it's I believe that God is rewarding you guys.
Yes,
Stibo, to talk about the game, I've said it before. I said before that the league, we're going to win the league on the last game.
You did say, I remember.
Yes.
I remember.
I remember the time I came here in Orlando.
Yes.
I've said it.
Yeah.
So I want to tell the fans that good things comes to those who are patient. We need to be patient.
Yes.
We need to be like people who understand the game.
Yes.
I think we once and always, the league is going to Orlando Pirates.
Without a doubt.
Without a doubt, without anything.
Yes.
And Stivo, next week, I so wish. I so wish. I know people, they know me. I'm Jomano one and only.
Yes.
I so wish to be there on Bombela. But I know people, they will help me to be there. And to putting your faraza guti ilikinya ipagamis.
The way you shang go.
Stivo, I don't want to talk about Mamelodi Sundowns.
You want to talk about?
I want to talk about Durban City.
Explain.
Durban City, they came here, they do the homework, they do the game plan. I don't know what happened, but congratulations to Orlando Pirates for not conceding any goal. And congratulations to Sipho Chayine for winning the clean sheets. So it's okay. It's okay. It's a draw.
No, it's not.
Yes, Stibo, I'm not happy. I came here. I bought the ticket. I never get in the stadium. Because people who bought the ticket are my Chiefs and Sundowns. Because they want to go to Bafunu Farazo, go to Pirates win na league.
No.
But it's okay. And they will say tomorrow it's a sold out in Loftus, and saying Pirates is sold out in. We want to say to Mamelodi Sundowns, good luck. That's the word I want to say. Good luck.
Good KF.
Good KF Champions League.
Chiefs,
congratulations for giving us the opportunity to win the league. And it's a winner in the last game. And we are here. We are not doubting anything. I don't want to blame the coach. The coach Uzela with the game plan Oguti. Obviously, it's a Durban City, but the coach, I think it's a game plan. Orbit College, Nyanazi, ni team yetu. One and always. Nina ngabafana bakakhoza. Yabona ngiyayisho namanje. 3-0. I know Orbit College 3-0. And then ngicela ukuthi don't come with a low block. No, don't come with a low block. I know Durban City were fighting for MTN 8. But Orbit Nyazi, 8 or 9 players they are playing for Orbit College that are coming from Orlando Pirates. So I know. I mele kube MTC Orbit. So Orbit College, I know the truth. Listen, I know the truth. So Orbit College,
Bafo.
Open the game.
bazovula njengocross.
Bafo. Let me ask you something.
Yes.
Ufuna ukuthini mawuthi 9 players is from Pirates? Ufuna ukuthini kahle?
Listen, football is not a bush where you can hide yourself. Okay. Yeah, football we want to open it.
Yeah.
So Orbit College definitely.
Ufuna ukuthi
Listen.
bakwenzele favor mawuthi 9 players.
No, listen, it's not. Listen, it's not a favor.
Yeah.
It's a winning.
It's a winning.
We are not entitled of winning, né?
You're talking about
But we're
9
gonna
players
win
from
the game. Listen,
You're talking about
you
9
came
players
to
from Pirates.
Mamelo, you came to Orlando. You are wearing Chiefs, and the Chiefs they were playing at Durban.
Yes.
So I don't understand what you want here, but it's okay because it's football.
Sometimes it's
Football there is no therefore.
Oh, Baba.
Yeah, so let me tell you. Listen,
I'm here to play soccer.
Stibo, before ngivala bafethu. Yeah, listen, Stibo, Mapagania. Yeah, don't stress yourself. The league it's ours, and the league is going to Orlando. And Mamela, the last word. I dedicate this league to my mother in a grave. I know very well, and I know very well. She said it before she passed away. She said, "Kamu, we go win a league. So we go win a league. No matter what." Thank you, Wafet.